porcupine dead on the road. Take a big oxen to carry that load. I got checked out by a blonde young heifer. Says she might want her, but I ain't gonna let her. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer, a hitch in my hip like an old sheepdog, I puff up my chest like a big bullfrog. On my feet like a two-pane horse, a belt round my belly like a Galloway cross, build a barn out of straw for to not pay rent. The thing blew over like a cheap green tent. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer, a hitch in my hip like an old sheepdog, I puff up my chest like a big bullfrog. Like a fencing parts. They didn't cost nothing cause they come with the truck, and old Uncle Hugh's still bringing me luck. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer, a hitch in my hip like an old sheepdog, I puff up my chest like a big bullfrog. Like a fencing park. They didn't cost nothing cause they come with the truck, and old Uncle Hugh's still bringing me luck. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer. Hair in my eyes like a Highland steer, spring in my step like a white-tailed deer, a hitch in my hip like an old sheepdog, I puff up my chest like a big bullfrog. I'm gonna shine up my boots, I'm gonna go into town, I'm gonna scrape up $20, I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance, first lovely lady that I see. When our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna shine up my boots, I'm gonna go into town, I'm gonna scrape up $20, I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna find me a game, but hoping if I can, I'll fold them all night long till I got me a hand. I'm gonna buy us a ranch with a palomino herd, and I won't mean no harm, and I won't say a word. When misery comes to call, I'll give to him my life. I'll sit with him a while and share my horse, my home, my wife. I'm gonna shine up my boots, I'm gonna go into town, I'm gonna scrape up $20, I'm gonna throw it around. I'm gonna buy me a dance, first lovely lady that I see. When our dance is through, I'll say, will you marry me? I'm gonna gonna shine up my boots. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna scrape up $20, but I'll probably just drink it down. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean. You boys likely know what I mean. You live your life on the road, and that's how it goes. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean when you're in the band and making the scene. You spend all your time at funky old dives. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. Well, Willie P said he liked the crisp white lines. Willie said the ladies like it too. He said he used to travel with a board and an iron till his sister said you and me's through. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean. You boys likely know what I mean. A lipstick on the collar, a hoop and a holler. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean when it gets washed in with your jeans. Half a cup of bleach in with the sheet. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. Well, Willie P said he liked the crisp white lines. Willie said the ladies like them too. He said he used to travel with a board and an iron till his missus said you and me's through. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean. You boys likely know where I lean. It's just a little beer, but listen dear, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean. He said he liked the crisp white lines. Willie said the ladies like them too. He said he used to travel with a board and an iron till his missus said you and me's through. Well, it's hard to keep a white shirt clean. You boys like to know what I mean. You live your life on the road, and that's how it goes. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. You spend all your time in funky old dives. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. The old mare's mean and horse shit's green. It's hard to keep a white shirt clean. Well, never put your hat on the bed, son. Never put your hat on the bed. 'Cause if your hat's on the bed, you might wake up dead. So don't you never put your hat on the bed. But if you do, be sure it's upside down, son. If you do, be sure it's upside down. 'Cause if there's any doubt, it keeps the luck from running out. So if you do, be sure it's upside down. Never throw a match when it's dry, son. Never throw a match when it's dry. Don't you never throw a match, 'cause the grass might catch and burn 3 counties when it's dry. And always keep an edge on your knife, son. Always keep an edge on your knife. 'Cause a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the vague uncertainties of life. Yes, a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the uncertain vagaries of life. But I never could sharpen no knife like the one who give the advice. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Well, never sell the old 22, son. Never sell the old 22. 'Cause the old 22 shot a gopher or two. So don't you never sell the old 22. But aim it to the left a little low, son. Aim it to the left a little low. 'Cause the old iron sight fires high and to the right. So aim it to the left a little low. And always tip the glass when you pour, son. Always tip the glass when you pour. 'Cause if you don't tip the glass, then the foam comes fast and runs from the table to the floor. But always keep an edge on your knife, son. Always keep an edge on your knife. 'Cause a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the vague uncertainties of life. Yes, a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the uncertain vagaries of life. But I never could sharpen no knife like the one who give the advice. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Well, be sure to put your horse away dry, son. Be sure to put your horse away dry. 'Cause a hot, wet horse ain't healthy, of course. So be sure to put your horse away dry.
Alright, here it goes. Moment of truth. I have no idea. pick this thing up. So that tank weighs about 7,500 pounds, I think. Here we go.
Well, be sure to put your horse away dry, son. Be sure to put your horse away dry. 'Cause a hot, wet horse ain't healthy, of course. So be sure to put your horse away dry. And be sure to thaw the bit when it's cold, son. Be sure to thaw the bit when it's cold. 'Cause if you don't thaw the bit, then your pony's tongue sticks to the frozen metal bridle when it's cold. Never judge a man by his clothes, son. Never judge a man by his clothes. You got to look through the dirt and Lord judge him by his work. So don't you never judge a man by his clothes. And always keep an edge on your knife, son. Always keep an edge on your knife. 'Cause a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the vague uncertainties of life. Yes, a good sharp edge is a man's best hedge against the uncertain vagaries of life. But I never could sharpen no knife like the one who give the advice. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. And I never could sharpen no blade quite the way he say. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Yodelay, 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 yodelay. Chev got stuck in the Ford, got stuck, got the Chev unstuck when the Dodge showed up. The Dodge got stuck in the tractor rut, which eventually pulled out the Ford with some difficulty. Well, more rain than we'd seen for 1,000 years caused financial joys and biblical fears. It caused some smiles, it caused some tears, but more to the point of our story. For the first time in the collective memory, that old brown prairie that had been so dry for so long was very muddy, boggy and sticky. We'd pull one truck out and get another stuck in, and motors would roar and tires would spin. We'd sink right down to the diff, and we'd all take turns and do it again till no one could move. I call one more friend, come on out here, we need you, bring your truck. The Chev got stuck in the Ford, got stuck, got the Chev unstuck when the Dodge showed up. The Dodge got stuck in the tractor rut, which eventually pulled out the Ford and the Toyota. They got me stuck in the mud so I couldn't rehearse, and Chavez too has missed his work. Richie, he now fears the worst. He stood up his ex-wife, she called him a jerk. Of course, Holman didn't have nothing better to do. Chev ranch and ranch and ranch and ranch. Well, the Chev got stuck in the Ford, got stuck, got the Chev unstuck when the Dodge showed up. The Dodge got stuck in the tractor rut, which eventually pulled out the Ford. Well, it was truck after truck, we all got stuck. Except the big old 4x4 man in that truck, and we all thought, Lord, are we in luck? But he wouldn't come anywhere near us. Mighty neighborly, mighty neighborly. We used a lot of our backs, a little of our brains. We jacked up the jacks, we snugged up the chains. We all did our level best to refrain from shoveling. We put what timbers we had underneath the wheels, and we was all out of sand, but managed to steal 2 sacks of the best modern canola seed you ever did see. Well, that ought to give us some traction. Hey, that's right. The Chev got stuck in the Ford, got stuck, got the Chev unstuck when the Dodge showed up. The Dodge got stuck in the tractor rut, which eventually pulled out the Ford. And the moral of the story is, we spilled genetically modified canola seed, or genetically modified for control of the weeds of a big old yields of margin oil, and raised hell all over that virgin prairie soil. Agriculture in Canada is definitely going to be